learners, in this meeting we would like to discuss about conditional sentence. In this conditional, I don't talk about the conditional sentence in a zero type, but I would like to discuss about conditional sentence type 1, type 2, and type 3. Before we discuss about all of them, we would like to let you know about the characteristic of conditional sentence. Of course, conditional sentence consists of two clauses, main clause and end clause. And the position of the clauses, main clause can be at the beginning, and it can be in the behind positions. And position doesn't differentiate the meaning of conditional sentence, or it doesn't influence the meaning of those clauses in the characteristic of conditional sentence in the set, that is, it always has modal auxiliary in the main clause. They are will, shall, can, may, must, have to, would, should, could, might, had to, and this modal can be in the present or in the past based on the type of the conditional sentence. And also the meaning of the sentence or the content of the sentence state a case that is expected to take place, but in reality doesn't happen yet, or it doesn't occur as expected. Alright, we try to talk about in general first before we talk specifically of each of the type of the conditional sentence. The characteristic, look at the example here. In the if clause, if Sophia invites me, I will go to the party. I will go to the party if Sophia invites me. The positions in the if clause, at the beginning and behind this, I think in the position after the if clause, I will go to the party. And we can also put here, I will go to the party at the beginning, and if Sophia invites me after that. As well as it also the same rule as the other sentences. If we have enough time, we shall live for there together. We can put we shall live for there together in front, and after that we can put if we have enough time in the end. As also happened to this, if he is ill, he cannot do his assignment soon. Can be the same meaning as he cannot do his assignment soon if he is ill. Let's talk about the conditional sentence. In tense reality here. In the first conditional sentence type 1, or we can also see the possible conditional or future conditional sentence. The explanation in tense reality in this type, the event that is expected to happen in the future, but the reality is in the present. The modal used in the main clause, and the verb clause, is a simple present. Okay, let's see this. In this type, there is a possibility to happen. There is a possibility to happen in the future if the requirement is fulfilled. And the second conditional type, or real conditional or present conditional sentence, the meaning that contains in this type of conditional, it states something which is contradicted to the fact at present. So it is impossible to take place, or there is a small possibility to occur at present. The real time Yeah, the reality tense used in this case is the simple present tense. And the next one is conditional sentence type 3. Or we can also see impossible or unreal conditional or past conditional sentence. The meaning indicate that the past time event, it is used to indicate something which is contradicted to the fact or reality in the past. Yeah, so it is possible to occur at present. The reality time, yeah, is in the simple past tense. Now, yeah, let's talk about of each type of this conditional sentence. If we pay attention to the pattern of if clause in this first type, they use if plus a simple present tense. And the main clause, in this case we use a simple present tense. Yeah, look at here. Yeah. And the reality is we have discussed this now is in the present tense. Look at this example here. If I have enough money, I will travel for a holiday in Australia. It means in this case, we have, yeah, meaning of this sentence that there is a possibility, yeah, for me, yeah, to leave for Australia to have a holiday. Or I possibly or probably travel for holiday in Australia. Can be in different meaning. Perhaps I travel for holiday in Australia, or it is also has the same meaning. The content of the sentence, I may travel for holiday in Australia. Yeah, we can see the other example in this case as well. Yeah. Let's come to the second type. Yeah. Look at this pattern. If clause using if, yeah, plus a simple past tense, yeah, and the main clause, yeah, using past future tense, and the reality is in present. Let's see this example. If I had enough money, I would travel for a holiday in Australia. Yeah. It's meant that I don't have enough money at this moment when I say this, so I don't travel for a holiday in Australia. The meaning contained in this type, yeah, is, yeah, there is a small probability for me to travel or have a trip or holiday in Australia because I don't have enough money at this moment. Yeah, this is similar with this. Yeah, and we can also, yeah, look at the other example from the second type here. Yeah. To continue the explanation about the conditional sentence type 3 or impossible or unreal conditional or, yeah, unreal conditional, yeah, unreal conditional. Alright, let's see the if clause here. The if clause, yeah, should be added by past perfect tense. Yeah. In the main clause, the past, future, perfect tense. You can also put it, yeah, sometime, yeah, the formula looking thin here when, yeah, we don't find, yeah, the verb, yeah, like this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, the reality, yeah, tense or meaning of the sentence is in the past time. Look at the example here. If I had enough money, I would have traveled for a holiday in Australia. In this sentence, we have a meaning, I didn't have enough money. Yeah, So I didn't travel for a holiday in Australia. It has the same meaning as I would not travel for a holiday in Australia since I didn't have enough money. Or, yeah, that's the same meaning as it was impossible for me to travel for a holiday in Australia because I didn't have enough money. We can also, yeah, say the meaning of the sentence. I did not possibly, yeah, travel, yeah, for a holiday in Australia, or I had not enough. These are the example of conditional sentence type 3. Alright, beside those, yeah, conditional sentence using if, yeah, we also have, yeah, inversion type of those conditional. In a type 1, for example, yeah, if I have enough money, yeah, I will travel for a holiday in Australia. Can also be said, should I have enough money, I will travel for a holiday in Australia. We can use the word should here, yeah. And the other, yeah, sentence, if we, yeah, change, yeah, the main clause at the beginning, yeah, like this. If the weather is not bad, he can go for a picnic. Should the weather not be bad, yeah, he can go. Let's see another inversion of the conditional sentence type 2 here. Yeah, we put did, for example, here. Yeah, yeah, at first, yeah, but it has the same meaning with a conditional that use if clause here. If I had enough money, I would travel for a holiday in Australia. Is the same as did I have enough money, I would travel for a holiday in Australia. It look like, yeah, question or in past tense, but yeah, it is not here. The second example, if the weather were not bad, he would or could go for a picnic. We can put were for all subject at the beginning. Yeah, although without if, the meaning is still in the conditional sentence. Were the weather not bad, he would or could go for a picnic. Let's come to the inversion of conditional type 3. Yeah, we can use this one, had plus subject of verb 3 here. Yeah, or if we don't have find the verb, we can substitute by using been here, because usually, yeah, it's followed by the adjective, adverb, or complement here. Look at this example. If I had enough money, I would have traveled for a holiday in Australia. Yeah, has the same meaning as had I had enough money, I would have traveled for a holiday in Australia. Yeah. The other example, if the weather had not been bad, he would or could have gone for a picnic. Had the weather not been bad, he would or could have gone for a picnic. I think that's enough for our discussion about conditional sentence. Yeah, today. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.